today it's time for me to show you my ginormous dollhouse. So let's start from the ground floor. You see, we have got a bathroom here with a lovely bathtub. And we've got a kitchen on that side. And we can open these drawers. I'm going to put something in there soon. And also, we've got some chair with a table. Now comes on the second floor. We've got a beautiful carpet here. We're in the living room with these little kids playing in here. And they've also got a pet pony. Let's go over here. So, this is the wardrobe and this is the bed. And also you can see this can go big, this can go small. Let's go up to the top floor then. Up here we've got a nice open roof and we've got some shoes here. And we've got a bed. And we've got a lovely balcony. She's going to have a little look out here. Oh, what a lovely day. Now, that's all about my dollhouse. See you later.